When developing a new drug, diagnostic, or medical device, it is essential to consult with key stakeholders along the way. A stakeholder is defined as any person, organization, or institution that has an interest in your potential therapeutic or diagnostic. In drug development, key stakeholders include, but are not limited to, researchers, industry, regulatory agencies, payers, healthcare providers, patients, caregivers, and advocacy groups. And in an academic setting, the University Technology Transfer Office. When interacting with stakeholders, you should have an end goal in mind. Aim to understand their interests and needs and the incentives that motivate them so that you can align your product with their values. Ensuring your product aligns with stakeholder values may increase the likelihood that they will adopt or support the use of your drug. To understand stakeholder values, it is important to ask what their goals are and how they hope to achieve them. Other important questions include, are they patient-centered? Are they a potential competitor or partner? Different stakeholders, such as payers and investors, may both be interested in turning a profit, but their different business models give them different incentives. Investors will be most interested in factors that influence the market or cost of treatment. These include market size, market opportunity, price of drug, cost of treatment course, intellectual property position, and the overall likelihood a therapy will reach the market and be adopted in practice. Payers will be more interested in reducing the overall cost of treatment. Stakeholders whose values are more patient-centered, like patients, caregivers, advocacy groups, and healthcare providers, will have greater interest in improving patient quality of life. Patient-centered stakeholders will have values that revolve around improving standard of care, curative and preventative therapies, reducing side effects, improving convenience like dosing, frequency, and administration, reducing cost, improving accessibility to treatment, and improving patient adherence. Patient advocacy groups for a given disease will be interested in promoting awareness, educating the community, and supporting research. Regulators look out for the public's interest, ensuring drugs are both safe and effective before entering the market. Therefore, they will require you to demonstrate safety before moving into humans, perform rigorous testing to demonstrate the drug product's consistent manufacturing and high purity, and that the proposed product meets marketing claims. Other stakeholders include potential competitors or partners, those interested in the same clinical indication or patient population. This includes industry and other academics conducting translational research. Competitors will be most interested in whether you are planning to pursue the same target, pathway, or therapeutic modality. They may also be interested in licensing your product or acquiring your company. In this case, the program must be de-risked. It is important to identify and begin speaking with stakeholders early on, and you should continue to engage stakeholders throughout the development process.